Right, moving on, we're going to the factors that affect research. The first factor is reliability. And this is how reliable your data collection is. So it measures the way you collect your data gets the same results each time. It can be affected by poor equipment, poor technique, or false information. And without good reliability, the results could be based on false readings. So what this really means is, if you've taken 3 sets of data and you got the same result, it would have a high reliability. Whereas if you've taken 3 sets, 2 of them were the same and 1 of them was different, it will have low reliability because something has gone wrong and that's an outlier. So you can either take another set until you get the same result again, or you can just not use that outlier and hope for the best. Next one is validity. Validity is whether or not the results relate to what is being tested. There are 2 types of validity. It's internal and external. Internal is more quantitative as it uses controlled variables, so it could be used in lab-based research. And external validity is more qualitative as it allows for real-world factors to affect the data. Accuracy links heavily to reliability. It ensures the results are correct and that you can find similar results elsewhere, and the source is reliable, or the way it's collected was the most reliable and the best it could be. So for example, if you're trying to get some quantitative data, you wouldn't use an interview because that's heavily linked with qualitative. Precision is typically needed for quantitative data, however it doesn't mean that it can't be used for qualitative. Make sure the data collection method is the best and most useful that it can possibly be. So again, linked to accuracy, using a questionnaire for qualitative data, it wouldn't be as accurate as it can be. If it's not precise, then there's usually something wrong with either the accuracy, the reliability, or the validity. Moving on, go to the 2 types of data. The first type is primary data. Primary data is something that you conduct yourself. So, for example, sending out a questionnaire to 50 people, that's your data, you've collected it, or getting a focus group and asking everyone, writing down the answers. To me, it's the most useful part because you know that you've collected the data yourself and you know that you've used the best possible way for you or for what you're conducting. Secondary data is the opposite, so it's something taken from either Wikipedia and something online, or you've asked someone who's taken it themselves. This is less reliable, I think, than primary data, as you don't know what data collection method they've used, so you don't know if it is as useful as it can be. And also you can't ask the questions that you want to ask. They might have asked slightly different questions than you. So, yeah.